Hey, I see you, Latanya. Good, Latanya made it on today. Hello. Fantastic. Okay, we got a wonderful, wonderful group. Guys, you guys are in for a treat. Justin Murray, Nicole King. Okay, I see you, Reggie. All right, I see you, Laurel, Michelle. Guys, you guys are literally in for a treat today. Why is that? First of all, I'm Richard Duncan, guys. I'm out of Des Moines, Iowa. And it just brings me pleasure that you guys have taken time out of your schedules to be here with me today. And I can assure you that your time will not be wasted. Another thing I can assure you is that the information that I'm going to be sharing with you today, I can guarantee you, they have never taught you this stuff in the school systems. So when you see this initially, if you're thinking, okay, oh my gosh, is this real? Like, is this really real? I'm telling you it is. This is a new doctrine. We were not taught the way to, guys, there's old ways of making money. There's the new ways of making money. I'm going to show you the new ways, ladies and gentlemen, of making money. And it's going to be a complete game changer simply because we're using this device right here. But before I even get into it, guys, I'm a minister in my church. I have been for many years. My faith and my spirituality is number one. I'm not saying that to offend anybody. You guys have to know where I stand. If you stand for nothing, you'll fall for anything. But guys, I'm just letting you guys know a little bit about me. Again, not to offend anyone by making that stance, but this is my beautiful wife. 9 years, guys. We've been married for 12 years. We've been together for 12 years, married 9 years. This woman is she's a life giver. I mean, I'm just so grateful for my wife. We have 4 beautiful kids, a 15-year-old, 4-year-old, 3-year-old, and a 7-month-old. So we're definitely not a dull moment here. And guys, I'm an entrepreneur by God's grace only. I haven't had a 9-to-5 job since high school. I'm not saying that to boast. I'm not saying that to knock anyone that is working a 9-to-5. I'm just telling you guys a little bit about me because I'm the one that's going to be presenting some information to you today. So I just want to make sure that you guys know who I am, who the presenter is. God has blessed me, though, to be an entrepreneur and to have a mindset. Guys, I don't want to work for money. I like to have money work for me. So God has blessed me to have 2 multiple 6-figure companies, guys. So I just take a lot of pride in how God has been blessing me and my family tremendously, guys. And so here's the deal. You know, somebody that I respect a lot turned me on to this project. And I have to be honest with you guys. Check this out. If you're only working in a 9-to-5 job, you want to have multiple streams of income, period. You have to. If you're only trading hours for dollars, listen to me carefully. If you're only trading hours for dollars, I can assure you, okay, you don't know what it feels like to truly have more money at the end of the month. Typically, if you're only trading hours for dollars and you don't have multiple streams, you don't know what it feels like to have more money at the end of the month. You usually have more month at the end of the money, okay? That's typically what happens. And so what I'm going to show you guys right now is a way to diversify yourself. And look at this. All of us have these devices. This is a smartphone. Y'all might not all have an Apple or iPhone, but you got Droids, you got Samsungs, you got all kinds of different technology, guys. We all have a cell phone. We're already Snapchatting. We're already Facebooking. We're already texting. We're already calling. We're already emailing. We're already doing all kinds of stuff with this cell phone. Think of how many hours a day you're spending on this cell phone. And what I'm going to show you today is literally how to turn this cell phone into an ATM machine. We are literally, this is a revolutionary movement. I am helping people full time all across the world do this. I'm helping people to make money from their cell phones 24/7. And guess what? You don't have to recruit a single person. Like you can literally, this is something that is personal. It's something that is intimate. And here's the deal. I want to share my screen here. I want you guys to see this. I don't want for nobody to miss anything. Now check this out. So the name of this particular project, guys, that I'm going to be releasing to you is called iMarkets Live. And like I told you guys, you want to have multiple streams of income, period. Robert Kiyosaki breaks it down in his quadrant, guys, in his cash flow quadrant. But we want to make sure, guys, that we are diversifying ourselves financially. And here's the deal. I'm going to show you guys something very unique. This financial vehicle, okay, I'm going to show you guys the vehicle that's going to show you how to turn your cell phone into a cash machine, and it's iMarkets Live. And guys, what we have done is we've changed the game. We have combined two of the largest, most powerful industries. We've taken the futures and Forex trading industry, guys, and we've combined that with the network marketing arena. Now, here's the deal. 95% of what I'm going to talk to you guys about today, you can literally just trade only, okay? Or you can network, but 95% of what I'm going to tell you today is literally trading foreign currency, guys, from your cell phone. And check this out, 95% of the people that get involved with this project, that partner up with this movement, know nothing about trading Forex. They don't know anything about it, okay? In fact, do me a favor, guys. When I say trading Forex, type in the chat right now, yes or no, if you know what I mean. When I say trading Forex, type in yes if you know what I mean, or type in no. And be honest, especially my new people. Some of you people that are existing, you know what it is. And guys, here's the deal. You guys already know what networking is. It's an excellent entrepreneurial decision. It's the best way for passive income, low risk opportunity. You start off working it part-time. Now, what is Forex? Ladies and gentlemen, Forex is short for foreign exchange. So foreign exchange, so guys, here's business 101. Buy low, sell high. That's business 101, okay? We're already programmed to buy things when they're low. Look at Black Friday. Black Friday is the biggest shopping day in America. Why? People are programmed. They will wait in long lines. I remember seeing people outside of a Best Buy store overnight waiting to buy something because it was cheap. They felt like they was getting a deal. Now imagine being able to go into a $5.3 trillion per day space. That's the Forex market. And guys, and we can buy and sell currencies. We buy them when they're low, sell them when they're high. Okay? And when I say currencies, meaning euro, USD, Canadian dollar, British pound, Japanese yen, New Zealand dollar. Guys, we can even do gold, silver, crude oil, Bitcoin. Guys, we can take all of these precious metals, all of these currencies, guys. We buy them when they're low, sell them when they're high, and we can make profits. This is the largest. Many of you have probably heard of the stock market. Okay, that's buying shares in the companies like IBM, Apple, Nike. Okay, the stock market is only a $50 billion per day, but the Forex market, $5.3 trillion. There's nothing larger than the Forex market. And this is how, listen to me, this is how the banks make money, ladies and gentlemen. When you put your money in the bank and they give you 1% at the end of the year, do you realize they've grown your money 600 to 800%, trading it in the Forex market, and they've only given you a small piece of it? Guys, this is the secrets of the wealthy of the 21st century. But let me tell you something. Most people have never got involved with this Forex market, or they don't know anything about it. Why? Because here's the deal. This was only for the wealthy. There's one thing, guys. Listen to me, please, carefully. Listen to me. There's one thing that separates the wealthy from the non-wealthy, and that's information. The wealthy have always had information that the non-wealthy did not have. And if they did have it, they didn't have the resources to take action with the information. This Forex market has been around for 70 years. It's nothing new. But only the wealthy were able to get into it and be prosperous. Why? Because 10 years ago, you had to have $100,000 liquid in the bank in order to get into this space and make money. It's a new day now. That's why it eliminated most people. Most people didn't have $100,000 laying around to be able to go in and trade with. So now, because of all of the advancement of technology, cell phones, all of the online brokers, guess what, guys? Check this out. Let me tell you a secret. You don't need to have $100,000 anymore. You can literally start trading with $25. Yes, $25. Now, it's recommended to trade with more, but guys, we have people that have joined this movement with us that started trading with a $10 account, and they've grown it to over $18,000 in their first 90 days. We've had people that have taken a $40 account and grown it to over $30,000 in their first 5 months. Guys, we have a whole bunch of people making anywhere from an extra $300 to $2,000 a month trading in this market, guys. And I'm going to tell you something. We're doing it all from our cell phones. Now, here's the interesting thing. The company that has taught us, me and my wife, and teaching people all across the world that will also serve and teach you is iMarkets Live. We've been in existence since 2013. We're in 120 plus countries, debt-free company. We don't owe anybody a dime, nothing, zero, zilch, okay? We've got 100 plus years of experience in the game. We're a full financial service platform, guys, and we was founded by Christopher Terry. This is the CEO right here, Christopher Terry. This is the man, okay, the visionary behind this whole movement. Guys, let me tell you something about this gentleman. I know him personally. He is one of my mentors, okay? I'm proud to call him one of my mentors. This man he's recommended, guys, he's been in trading expos, money shows, trading libraries, guys. He has traded personal and corporate accounts for over $50 million. He is a multi-mega millionaire, guys. And what I like about him is he's from New York. He was raised in the worst neighborhoods of New York. Okay, he was on poverty, on welfare, guys, but he overcame the adversity in his life. Now he has one of the top construction companies in New York. And now, guys, he's noted to be one of the greatest Forex traders in the game. And so he can relate, because of his background, he can relate to all people. So now he wants to take this $5.3 trillion per day space that most people didn't even know that they can get involved with. And he wants to provide us with the resources and the skill set to be able to go into this market, guys, and capitalize. Okay, now check this out. What's in it for you? How can you personally make money with this system that I'm talking to you about today? Check this out, guys. Get ready. Number one, the auto trader. Y'all see me clapping? When I clap, that means it's about to get real good, okay? The auto trader, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 100% hands-free mirror trading service. No trading experience required whatsoever, ladies and gentlemen. No trading experience. What is this? Basically, guys, we have professional traders that will trade in the markets for you. Experts that will trade in the markets for you. They're not robots. They're real people. When you log into your back office, you have access to all of them. There's about 7 of them, okay? Some of them are high risk, low risk, medium risk. You literally, guys, you can see their entire portfolio. You can see everything about these guys, their worst trades, their best trades, how much their money has grown, ladies and gentlemen, over a certain period of time. You find one that you like, you got to put at least a minimum of $500 with the auto traders, set it and forget it. So if you're a pastor, if you're a barber, someone that's very, very busy, don't have a lot of time, this is a good product for you. And guys, some of these guys have been averaging anywhere of 40 to 60%, guys, in a 12-month time span, which is very, very conservative. But the beautiful thing about it is this: you can withdraw your money daily, weekly, monthly. There's no limitations, guys, as far as when you can make your withdrawals with the auto trader. And the beautiful thing is, guys, you can sync the auto trader up to your cell phone. So when they're trading live in the markets, guys, you can see the trades yourself. And you can see the trades that they're doing. Guys, next product, swipe trades. This is amazing. Like, my wife made money with this product today. Many people make money with this product. Why? Check this out. You know how you already on your cell phone have your email connected or Messenger on Facebook connected, right? Okay, when you get a message, a new email, what happens? Your phone alerts you. Guess what? We're sending money signals to your cell phone. Swipe trades. You download the app. Guys, we have professional traders. They do the research for you. You take the trade if you choose. So the auto trader, they're trading for you. The swipe trades, they're giving you the trades to trade yourself. Okay? So you can grow your money a lot more. It's a lot more aggressive to trade yourself. But guys, they're sending the signals to your cell phone. You get an alert. It's a copy and paste system, guys. I had a gentleman in Baltimore. He made $4,000, guys, in his first 3 days. 3 weeks ago, in 3 days, he made over $4,000 trading with the swipe trades application, guys. People are winning with the swipe trades. And then we even have what's called the swing trades. Check this out. The CEO himself, the $100 million man himself, ladies and gentlemen, he is going to send signals to yourself. I mean, he's going to send you a personal video once a day. That's why they call them daily swing trades. In this video, ladies and gentlemen, he is giving you indicators of what he sees are going to be great trades for us to get involved with. He is giving a forecast into this Forex market. He's giving a forecast in the market, and he puts together a 2 to 4 minute video. All we do is watch the video, and we follow directions in the video, okay? This is coming from the mega multi-million-dollar Forex trader himself, guys. He is literally changing the game. He is giving us products that will allow us to go into this marketplace and be prosperous and make money. Look at this product right here, guys. This is the harmonic scanner. Are you serious? Take a look at this. This is the harmonic scanner, ladies and gentlemen. With this scanner, guys, it scans the marketplace. In fact, let me see some. I might even log in live so that you guys can actually see what this scanner looks like. Let me see if my internet's been moving kind of slow. So let me see if I can actually go in here. imlharmonicscanner.com. Guys, you have access to this scanner 24/7. Okay, you put your login details and look at this. Guys, this scanner scans the market for you. You have access to this 24 hours a day. And let me tell you something. When you look at this scanner initially, it might look like a whole bunch of jiggy-jaggy lines. You might not even understand what you see. But as you get acclimated with our system, guys, we will show you. When I see this now, I see money. The reason why this scanner is so significant, let me show you this. I can show you in 3 minutes how to make money with this harmonic scanner. Take a look at this, guys, right here. Watch this here. When you're looking at this scanner, guys, it scans the market. First of all, you can pick whatever currency pair you want. Look at this: Euro, Canadian dollar, Australian dollar, USD, British pound, New Zealand dollar. You pick a currency pair, and look at this. It will always, the scanner will always have an A, a B, a C, and a D on it. The only thing you need to know when you look at this scanner is where is the D for dog. You look right here, you see the D right here is right here. If the D is ever below the A, B, or the C, the scanner is calling out a buy. Remember, you buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. So when you look at the scanner, if the D is below the A, B, or C, it's calling out a buy. If it's above the A, B, or the C, it's calling out a sell. So check this out. Look at the currency pair, Euro, Canadian dollar. Guys, all I'm going to do right here is go into the trading platform in my phone. Watch this. Let me show you how smooth this system is. I can go into the trading platform in my cell phone, and I'm going to get this. This is one of our platforms called MetaTrader 4. When I click that, look at this. Guys, these are all the different currency pairs right here in my phone. I'm going to go find Euro, Canadian dollar, and when I find it, guys, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to click Trade, Chart, or Details. I click Trade. When I click Trade, look at this, guys. This is the actual market. I can go in here. You see the numbers moving? This is the real market. This is $5.3 trillion worth of money moving every day in the palm of my hand. I'm going to tell you right now, when you go in here, guys, and you put in a buy or a sell, it is a game changer. And look at what this scanner does. Look, it tells you your entry point. Look right here on my screen. The entry point. So all I'm going to do right here in the scanner is calling out a buy. Look, it's asking me right here, what is the price that you want to buy in at? I look on my scanner. Look, the entry point says 1.409. I'm going to enter that right there. Boom. Then it's saying, it's saying next, look, what is your stop loss? Stop loss is how much are you willing to risk in this trade? 1 cent, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1. The thing I like about the Forex market is we can trade with small lot sizes of money and turn them into some big profits. But it gives you your stop loss and it gives you 3 take profits. Guys, you're literally putting those numbers in your phone. You put those numbers in your phone, guys. When you learn how to enter in the trades correctly from this scanner, which that'll take me about 3 minutes to do, guys, 75% of the trades that this scanner calls out will bring profits to you. That's why we're excited about this scanner. I just literally showed you how you can go into the harmonic scanner and put trades into your cell phone. That is one of our top products right there. And look at this. If that's not good enough for you guys, look at this. We even have our own school that you have access to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, guys. This is what's called the iMarkets Live Academy. What is this? It is over 60 hours of archived education that will take you from basic, intermediate, and advanced training on Forex. And guess what? 95% of these videos were done from the CEO, the man that has made mega millions of dollars trading. All of his secrets all of his techniques, all of his ideas, all of his skills that brought him fortunes in the market. He has put them in video format in this IML Academy, ladies and gentlemen. You can move at this at your speed, at your pace. There's no time limit to do anything with this system, guys. And look at this. This is my favorite product right here. This is the live trading room. Guys, you get to go into a live trading room with an expert. With an expert. When they're trading, you're trading. You can ask them questions. Ladies and gentlemen, when they're drawing up their charts, you're drawing up your charts. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now, this is hands down how me and my wife was able to change our lives in this live trading room. This is how we learned the most, because you're in a live room with a professional, guys. If you research how much this costs online to go into a live trading room with an expert, guys, you'll spend hundreds of dollars for just 45 to 60 minutes. If you, I'm serious, like, this is no joke. Like, when you go into live trading rooms, but guys, you have access to this in our system, guys. And look, you access all of our stuff, guys, on IML TV. We have our own television broadcast. Literally, you can choose the channel that you desire and get the training that you need, ladies and gentlemen, to be successful in these markets. We provide that in this. So no matter where anyone lives right now, it doesn't matter where anybody lives, guys. They can click the channel and they can click translate. It will translate into whatever language it is that that individual speaks. That's why we're a bunch of exciting people. And take a look at this. I want you guys to see this. Here are some actual profits, guys, from the Forex market. Well, first of all, this is the CEO right here, Christopher Terry. Okay, like I told you guys, I know this gentleman personally. He actually came to my city to meet with me and some of my partners in Des Moines, Iowa. But that's me and the CEO of the company. But look at this. This is why I like the Forex market, guys, because we can take small lot sizes of money and turn them into some really good profits. Meaning, look at this. This is gold and USD. Here's a buy, guys. Look at this, 0.10. That is $1. $1, ladies and gentlemen. And this is 7 different trades. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. That was turned into $690.99, ladies and gentlemen, trading in the Forex market. Here's another trade right here, guys. And look at this trade right here. I was only in this trade, guys, from about an hour and 15 minutes. An hour and 15 minutes, guys, following the system, taking signals from the company. Look at this. This is the British pound and Japanese yen. I put in 3 buys and 1 sell. Look at this, $5, $10, $15.10 that I turned into $1,588.05 sitting right here in my, guys, this is my home office right here, sitting in my house, trading, taking signals from the company. They're teaching me how to do this. I didn't have to go talk to nobody. I didn't have to chase nobody down the street. Do me a favor, type in the chat right now if that would be a blessing, if you can literally take $15 and turn it into $1,588 in less than an hour and 15 minutes. Would that be a blessing to you personally to do that, or to be able to have that skill set to be able to go into the market and do this? Now, here's a disclaimer, guys. Results may vary. I'm not saying that I'm not guaranteeing anybody anything. I'm just telling you guys results may vary. They're not typical, but I'm not typical neither. But we got a lot of people whose lives are being changed. And I see you guys typing in the chat. Some of y'all said no. Some of y'all said, okay, wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Somebody said yes. Somebody said yes. Okay, Johnette, I see you, cuz. Okay, yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So look, so that's the British pound, Japanese yen. And here's the deal. Here's another one. I like that gold and USD. It's a little over $100. Guys, I was in this trade for less than 2 hours. Took a little over $100 and turned it into $3,189 in profits with this daggone thing right here. With this machine that I'm already just talking on, doing whatever on from my cell phone. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the new rules of money. I'm going to tell you right now, to work and to retire and think there's going to be Social Security, all that, come on. Guys, you have to diversify yourself. If you want something you never had, you have to do something you've never done. You got to step outside that comfort zone. Here's another trade, a little over $80, guys, turned into $475. Like, this is Like, we've got profits for days, man. We've been blessing people's lives with this system. And here's the deal, guys, we provide you with all of the webinars, classes, trainings, everything you need to win. First of all, technically, this is all you need. There's a cell phone, a tablet, internet, your computer, okay? Now, the other part that you need is some patience, some discipline, and some be self-motivated. Those are the type of individuals that we're looking for. People that are patient, people that have a desire to want to learn something new, okay? And then also are self-motivated, okay? Guys, you combine that. Look at this. You don't need no special hard hat, no goggles. You don't need any power tools, no heavy-duty machinery. You don't need licensing, credentials. You don't need nothing. You don't need permission from anybody to get into this market and fish. It's the wealthy have been doing it for years, and now Christopher Terry has broken it down to where the average person now can get into this space and make money. Does it cost money to learn this skill? Yes. Now, when I tell you how much it costs for you to get involved with this, I'm going to tell you right now, it's a no-brainer to get started. But let me tell you what some people have paid to get involved with this stuff. And in fact, I think I see guys in here. I might let him share with you later on today. This is no joke. This gentleman pays $17,000 for a 1-year subscription to an online trading company to learn how to trade. He's on this call right now. I will interview him and let you hear from him directly. There was another gentleman that I signed up. This gentleman, guys, he paid $5,000 for a 30-day course to learn Forex. He got 2 sessions a day for 30 days. So he paid $5,000 for 8 sessions just to learn Forex. Guys, the stories go on. I know someone that paid $7,500 for a 2-day course. Well, why do people pay that kind of money? Because, guys, first of all, it costs, you got to spend money to make money, number one. Number two, this is the big boy leagues. Like, if you want to sell real estate in my city, you got to pay $4,000 to take the test, to get educated, to get the credentials to make money. So you got to spend money to make money. But here's the beautiful thing, guys. Look at my screen. Look at this screen right now. Look at this. $195. Initially, you're in the game. You got this entire system for $195. Like, first of all, we can blow $195 on a bad night. This is a giveaway. This is not even a high risk. Like, $195, I cannot express to you how generous the CEO is to make this available for us and to only pay $195. Like, seriously, that's nothing. That is a giveaway. Some of you ladies have a beautiful handbag that costs more than that. Some of you fellas got Air Jordans or dress shoes that cost more than that. So this is the way it looks. You can register today, pay your $195, get in the game, and you can start trading in the Forex market tonight. We can help you to open up your demo account. You go to our training website, download the 3 apps that you need to your phone, and then you can plug into our training system that's around the clock. You can start taking signals from that scanner that I showed you. You can start taking signals from the company, guys, and you're going to trade in your demo account until you feel confident to trade in your live account, okay? Some people go live in their first month. Some people go live in their second month. Just depends on when you feel comfortable and when you're showing that you have good risk management, because that's important. Now, at the end of your 30 days, you pay your dues. Pay your $145 a month. That's $5 a day, guys, to learn a new skill. We've had some people in their first month make $13,000 trading. Some people make $5,000, $1,000, $500, $30 in their first month trading. Some people not make any money trading in their first month. Why? Everyone is different. Everyone has a different pace, a different goal, okay? But at the end of the day, you can use your profits and pay your monthly subscription. But look at this. If you don't want to pay the $145 a month, look at what the CEO did. He said, listen, he said, refer 2 customers to this program, and I will pay, not me, I'm speaking on behalf of him, he will pay your monthly subscription for you. I'm going to just pause on that so y'all can let that sink in. So what I'm telling you is this. Pay your $195, refer 2 customers before your 30 days is up, and he will waive your $145 permanently every month. as long as you have 2 customers. So what I'm telling you is this. Less than $200, you'll have our auto traders, swipe trades, swing trades, IML Academy, live trading room, IML TV, everything for less than 200 bucks. The tax benefits alone, guys, is worth it because you can work this from home. Tax shelter, tax provisions. That alone is worth it as far as I'm concerned. Now take a look at this. Look, I just literally showed you guys, I'm 95% done. I got 3 minutes to go. I just literally showed you guys how you can turn your cell phone into an ATM machine without recruiting or talking to a single person, period. Hands-free, 24/7, we're making money from our cell phones, trading. Now, the last 3 minutes of this program, I want to talk because there's always maybe a couple networkers. Like I met this gentleman named Reggie. If Reggie is still on the line, I met this gentleman, very, very sharp. So there's always a couple networkers. Networkers meaning, well, what if I want to refer more than 2? Because guys, look at it like this. When we go eat at a good restaurant, what do? We tell people about it. We go on a good vacation. What do? We tell people about it, okay? Look, we're making money from our cell phones. Our cell phones and ATM, what are we going to do? Tell people about it. So if you want to refer more than 2, remember 2 people is free. You'll never pay that $145, so you're getting a free education. You're learning this skill for free. You can't beat that. Refer 1 more customer. Guys, now you can upgrade to what's called an IBO. That's an independent business owner. The moment you become an IBO, the company will send you a Visa card. They're going to pay you residual money every single month, and it pays out every single week. So what I'm going to show you right now is you can use this residual money and you can trade with it. You can put it in your auto trader or do whatever the heck you want to do. So you're already trading. Now let me show you in 3 minutes the networking side. Once you become an IBO, you can qualify for what's called a team builder bonus. So you're going to get $35 from whoever it is that you refer. Yo, I turn my cell phone into an ATM machine. You need to get involved with this. This is thebomb.com. They sign up, you get $35 for them. Boom, you're on my team. I love it. Now, whoever that person refers, guess what? You're going to get $10 for whoever they refer. It can be a complete stranger. Then whoever that person refers, you're going to get $5 for them. That's what you call a team builder bonus. That is what you call passive income, one-on-one at its finest, ladies and gentlemen. Now, this is what I like the most. You break ranks in this company. The more people, the more ranks, the more money. Remember, the networking is optional. You don't have to do this. You can just trade and make money. Now, if you want to build this thing for my networkers, watch this. 3 people, you're a platinum 150. That means they're going to pay you $150 a month residual. They're paying for your business at that point. Okay, y'all, look, I'm a real person. Look at this. Look at this right here. Look at who just woke up. Wave at these people, please. What is the problem? Tell everyone what is the problem right now, honey. She's supposed to be in the bed. Guys, we're real people. Give me 1 second. She is supposed to be in the bed. What's the problem, honey? Okay, listen. Daddy's almost done. I need you to do me a favor. Give me a kiss, okay? Go upstairs. Tell her to get in the bed, okay? Y'all should be in the bed, okay? I apologize, guys. We are real people. I got a 4-year-old and a 3-year-old. You know, when the cat's away, the mice play. So they know mommy and daddy's downstairs working because mommy's doing the training. I'm doing a webinar, so they think they on tiptoe around. Type in the chat if y'all got kids, please. If y'all know what I'm talking about, just type in the chat so I know I'm not by myself here, okay? Thank you very much. Anyways, back to business. 3 people, guys, you're a platinum 150, okay? Okay, let me see this chat real quick. I got to make sure I got some people that got kids. Okay, y'all know what I'm talking about then. I love it. Okay, I ain't alone. 3 people, platinum 150. They're going to pay you $150 a week. Okay, $150 a month, $37 a week. Now look at this. Check this out. Remember, everybody wants to have a free business. So they're going to refer 2 people. When that group of 3 grows to 12 individuals, boom, next rank, platinum 600. You're going to lock in at a platinum 600. Guys, that's $600 a month. $7,200 a year, and they pay it out weekly, $150 a week residual for having just 12. Guys, for my networkers, Reggie, 12 people in your group, $600 a month, that's a game changer in this networking industry. Look, once that group of 12 grows to 30 individuals, that's a platinum 1,000. That's $1,000 a month, $12,000 a year. That's going to pay out $250 a week. Type in the chat if an extra $1,000 a month could bless you and your household right now. Type in the chat yes, okay? Because I know it could be. That $1,000 a month can be the difference from you staying home with your kids and wrestling with them like I do with mine. But look at this, guys. This continues to grow. 30 people, Platinum 1,000. Look, 75 people in your group, that's $2,000 a month. That's $24,000 a year, $500 a week residual. Guys, for having 75 people in your group. Look at Platinum 5,000. That's only 225 people collectively. That's $5,000 a month, $60,000 a year, $1,250 a week residual, in addition to the trading, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, this is on the side. Look, Chairman 10. Everybody wants to hit Chairman 10 level. Why? That is a six-figure income the moment you become a chairman. $2,500 a week, having 500 people in your group. We had a gentleman do that in 38 days. He hit Chairman 10. I don't care if it takes you 8 months or 12 months. There's no time limit with this program. Okay? I don't care if it takes you 8 months or 12 months. Look at it like this. How many hours a week right now are you working at your job? How many days a week are you working at your job? Are you making six figures? Anywhere close to six figures? Is it even an option to make six figures? So guys, I am showing you a legit, genuine opportunity for you to increase your territory. And look, 500 people, oh my God, we're going to find 500 people. First of all, look, there's 7 billion people on the planet. Our company is in 120 plus countries. And guys, we're talking about 10,000 people in this movement right now. So, I mean, the whole sky is the limit. Look how many people live in your city right now. Look at this. Chairman 50. We had a guy hit Chairman 50 in 4.5 months. He hit Chairman 50, ladies and gentlemen. Like, we cap you off. The bad news to our comp plan is we got to cut you off somewhere. So the bad news is Chairman 500. So if you can live with that, that's the worst case scenario, guys. That's where we cap you off at. That's $500,000 a month, $125,000 a week. I'm going to pause right there. I'm done. I have no other information to give you. Let me tell you something right now. My wife and I, from the networking side, in 6 weeks, we was able to add an additional $84,000 to our household annually, guys, with this comp plan, in addition to the trading. So that being said, guys, let me hear from the new people. Those of you who are brand spanking new, everybody that's brand new, do me a favor. Let me see who's brand new. Type in the chat really quick. I want to hear from some of you new people right now. I see somebody walking with that phone. Boy, I'm about ready to get seasick watching them walk with that phone like that. Let me see if I can change that image there. All right. Let me see. Matter of fact, I got a gentleman on here, DeAndre Bynum. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
God, do me a favor. Listen to this gentleman. Why iMarkets Live for you, but share with the people, how much did you, when you originally got into looking into this space, share with these people how much you had to pay to learn Forex before you found out about this, and then share with the people why you feel like everybody on this line needs to be involved with this movement, sir.
Absolutely. I found out about Forex about 2 years ago. Just getting some information, just looking at some things online, and I seen this Forex market, so I did my research, and I said, man, what is this thing? And I found out it's a monster. And so I did some research. I went to a class here in the Miami area. They had a 3-day seminar where I had to pay $695 just to be able to get a tease of the information. It was like the bait. You know, they put that hook on the line and baited you in. And so I went through that, and then
you said, how much was that you had to pay just for the teaser?
That was $695.
$695. That's triple.
Right.
What you pay here, and that's just for the teaser. You get our whole system for $195. Keep going.
Absolutely. And so I went in that, and I wanted to help my mom out. She was getting ready to retire, and I seen the potential in it. And so we decided to partner together and get the package. It was $17,000, about $900 and something for that program. And it's a lifetime program. But the thing about it is, what's different with this is the actual earning while you learn potential. Like, that is not there because it's such a massive corporation or company. they have offices all over the world. It's not as tangible. It's not as closed in terms of being able to reach out and touch somebody and getting the help you desire, because there's so many people that are in it. And it's almost like, once you pay your money, basically, if you don't learn anything, well, that's on you type organization. So I was
17,000 is what he paid.
Yes, absolutely. 17,000, brother. And so when you hit me up a couple of months ago and say, man, I want you to take a look at something, you know how we roll.
Right.
Absolutely. There's no biggie. And so when I seen this, I was like, you gotta be kidding me. Man, this is everything I'm already getting on top of a whole lot extra, and the networking part, the referral part, because, I'm a networker.
Right.
With that company, if you refer somebody, man, they give you peanuts off of your payment. I'm saying, okay, so if I refer 2 people, it's free. 3 people, that unlocks the IBO, and from there, it's all good. And so I'm so appreciative, man, to Chris Terry and this tremendous opportunity. I'm telling you right now, if you're on this call and you're not in this business, this is the absolutely most no-brainer idea I've ever seen in my life. I'm telling you, I took a standard lot, $1 trade, and I held it for a month and a half and made $8,000.
Woo!
This is bananas.
This man, look, let me tell y'all something. Like, $195, that's not even a risk. I mean, let's just be honest. Unless you have to take out a loan or mortgage your house to go into business, that's a risk. $195, that's like a bare minimal low risk. Thank you so much for sharing that, DeAndre. This man took a $1 guy, he turned it into, you said $8,000, bro? You said, was that a $1 lot or was that a standard lot? I didn't hear what you said. Okay, I'll get back to him. Either way it goes, if it was $1 or a $10 lot, it don't matter. Like, the fact that he turned it into $8,000. Let me see. So I see so I want to talk to some of the new people now really quick. I see a Laurel, Lorrel, Laurel. Can you hear me? Is Laurel on the line?
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes. Where are you located and who invited you to the call?
I'm in Long Island, New York. I was invited by Chitsa.
She told me she was going to have a guest. Wow. She's one of our upcoming leaders in this project, right? She's a go-getter, right?
I know. She's very resourceful.
Yeah. So tell me, so you like what you see?
I do. I've been thinking about it for a couple months now, and I wanted to get some more information and learn, how I can start trading.
Sure. So what did you like most about this presentation today? What did you like most about this information? What was it? What stands out for you the most? What do you like?
I like that I'm not somebody that has a lot of time. I'm a school teacher. I'm a single mom, and I don't really have time to research trades. So if there are suggestions and if there is some kind of resource and help, I would really like that.
Wow. Well, fantastic. So it sounds to me like you're very excited. You like the simplicity of the system that we have, and you like the resources that we have, professional experts that are doing the research, and then you're taking those particular trades. You like that aspect of it.
I do.
Okay.
It's simple enough, and I like simple, uncomplicated.
Well, let me take it one step further. One of the things that I like to do for our new people, on a scale of 1 to 10, if you say you're a 10, I just want to type your name in the chat. I want to say, let's welcome Laurel to our iMarkets Live family. So a 10 is, I'm very excited. I like what I see. Or a 1 is, you know what? I heard the information. This is not for me. So on a scale of 1 to 10, where are you at? Is a 10? Are you a 10 meaning, yes, I'm definitely going to get involved to some degree? Or are you a 1 meaning, absolutely not? Where are you at on a scale of 1 to 10? I see LaTanya says she a 10. I didn't even get to her yet. Hey.
I'm an 8. I would not like to have a little bit more information, but I'm pretty much in.
Look at this. Well, let me tell you something. An 8 is that's a quiet 10. If I round up, you a 10. You just need to You tell me, what do you need to get to a 10? What is it that you need to get to a 10?
I kind of want to hear from people that I know. I'll get back to Chitsa to see how is it going for her.
Well, let me tell you this really quick. One of the things that I say to people when they think that, let me tell you something. You know, everybody's results are different. She could come in and start off slow. You can come in and start off fast. She can come in and start off fast. You can come in and start off slow. When you guys are making decisions, first of all, I'm gonna encourage you. Okay, I see my brother Jamie back there. Salute to the new police officer over there, baby boy. I see you. Okay, yes, sir. I see you, guys. Here's the deal: when you're making financial decisions, trust your gut. I'm just talking in general to people. Trust your gut, guys. And I'm gonna tell you right now, again, other people's results, everybody's situation can be different, but ultimately what you guys are getting is education, and you're getting a skill to learn. You're going to learn a new skill, and that in of itself is worth getting involved with this. So I just wanted to say that to you, Laurel. Don't sit back, and I'm going to tell you why you don't want to wait for her to see how she's doing, because she's already coming out the blocks very, very strong. And those of you who are interested in possibly doing the networking, like, you want to get locked in the system right away, because you only go 3 wide in all depth. And I'm not even sure if she has her 3 legs filled yet. But regardless, you want to lock in and get your position, because everything else drills down from there. So while you're sitting back waiting, Laurel, and let me tell you this too. Guys, you can register, pay your $195. He'll even let you test drive this car for 7 days, for a week. So if you get in, you pay, get in right away at the end of 7 days. If you don't like what you see and it's not for you, hit cancel. You get your money back. No questions asked. I haven't personally had one person cancel. Okay? But I just want you to know that you have that as an option. Okay, Laurel?
Okay, that makes it easy. Huh?
Oh my gosh. This man, listen, he wants the masses to have this system. There's no other way to break this thing down. I mean, this is so user-friendly. So anyways, thank you. Laurel, I want to welcome you to our family anyways. You're just here's the deal. You just have a little analysis paralysis a little bit, but I already know my 10s. You're a 10. Let's welcome Laurel to the family. She just has to measure 10 times, make 1 cut. Let me roll over here real quick I want to talk to Latanya, then I want to talk to Jonetta and see why she's a 10. There's another person that said they're a 10. Anybody else that's a guest on the line that knows for a fact I'm a 10, type your name in the chat right now. But let me holler at my sister Latanya, who I think we met on, you seen something I posted on Facebook, correct?
Yes.
So you seen something I posted on Facebook, and then I think you sent me an email. What did you say in that messenger?
I want to make money from my phone.
But did y'all see her shake that head? Hey, when that neck gets rolling, that neck like, look, hey, I got to get me some of that money.
Yes.
So she said, look, I want to make money from my phone. So I gave her my link to the webinar. So she's seen the webinar. What did you like most about what you saw? Why are you a 10 with this?
Well, for one, it's on your own time. You can do it anywhere you want to, regardless if you're at work on your break or out with family, friends, on a vacation or whatever, you still making money. And I like that.
And where are you located?
I am one of those 9 to 5 people.
Hey.
Yes.
Hey, you already know. You know what that 9 to 5 life. Hey, we got to get it in, but she just know, guys, it's a brand new year. She's like, look, I'm getting my stuff this year.
Oh, yes. I'm
getting mine this year. And where are you located?
I'm in Tuscaloosa, Alabama.
Tuscaloosa, Alabama. Okay, we got some movement in Alabama. I think we got some trade houses in Alabama. I'm going to look into that so I can even plug you in. Guys, we got trade houses that are popping up all over the place. So you can go into our trade houses as well, and you can actually get plugged in to our system. So you got the online presence. Then we have trade houses that you can go to as well. So thank you, Ty. I'll make sure I send you the link so we can get the system right away. And let me go over here to Jonetta, please, guys. And I'm very excited about this. This is a family affair. This is my cousin. She see me post something on Facebook. She like, yo, cuz, what you doing? Making money from your cell phone, and you ain't gonna tell me about it. Share with the people, where are you from? And why are you a 10 with this right now?
Originally from Des Moines, Iowa, but I live in Janesville, Wisconsin right now. I'm a stay-at-home mom, and I've been thinking about what I'm going to do when I go back to work. I'm ready to do something different. I'm thinking I want to continue to stay home. I want to contribute to my household, and this just seems like something where it's all about learning. And like you said, you know, learn something new, do something different. And so for $200, I feel like I can step out and try this. So, and not to mention, you know, like you said, we're family. I trust you. So
Right.
this is a good dude, you guys. You can trust him.
Thank you very much. Well, and here's the deal. Like she said, she wants to learn something new. And if you guys see my cousin, she's very beautiful. She's very fit. She's had babies, but she's a Zumba instructor. So if y'all need to get y'all Zumba on, y'all go look her up and she can hook y'all up. Y'all use my name, she'll give you 3% off of your Zumba lesson. 3%, okay?
I talked about this with my Zumba class today. I got 2 people that are planning on listening in. So
Wow. Look, this is something. Listen, people want to hear about this, so good job on that. And we'll definitely.
I just came from Zumba.
Look, she got her Zumba on. That's right, girl. Get it in. Dude. So look, okay, I'm very excited about that. Thank you, cuz, for coming in today. And I love it when it's a family affair. So we'll definitely be plugged in. And let me see. There's someone else. We have someone else that was new on here. Let me see.
Stop.
Hold on one second. Let me mute the lines out here real quick. All right, I think I seen someone else on. Orpha has 2 guests, Ken and Michael. There's a Ken. Let me unmute Ken and Michael. Ken and Michael, can you guys hear me okay?
Yeah, can you hear me?
All right, now let me start with Ken first. We'll go in alphabetical order here. First of all, Orpha is, can you hear me, Orpha? Are you there?
I am here, yes, sir.
First of all, she is a sweetheart. This girl knows she loves her. She loves the Lord with all of her heart. And what I like most about Orpha, what you see is what you get. She's very consistent, very transparent, and she is definitely an upcoming leader. She is working side by side with a network veteran, John Cini, who is also on this line. And so I just wanted to edify Orpha in front of her guests. I am excited to be able to work alongside her, and she is moving right up the ranks with this program. So let me start with Ken. Ken, what do you like most, sir, about what you saw in this program today, sir?
I mean, I love the fact, you know, the money-making aspect of it. Spend a little bit of time with it, and yeah, and being able to do it from home any time of the day. That sounds great.
And where are you located, Ken?
Indiana.
Wow, he's in Indiana. So good deal. So you're not. I think we might have a. I'm gonna have to look into Indiana too, as far as trade houses are concerned. So that's exciting. So where are you at, Ken? On a scale of 1 to 10, can we welcome you to our family? Or are you still thinking about this a little bit?
I'm probably like the one earlier, around an 8.
Oh man,
So,
H
yeah, but yeah, it's pretty much.
What do we need to do, Ken, to get you to a 10? What do we need to do to bump you up about another 1.5 to 2 points? What do you need?
I mean, so I just like to. I came on just a little bit late, so I'd like to see it again at least one more time. And I mean, I think I'm pretty much ready to go.
All right. Well, this one we'll do. Orpha, I believe you have my pre-recorded. Send him the pre-recorded. If you don't have it, John will have it in your inbox and probably right now. Okay. So let's make sure we do that so we can get him. And if I'm gonna go ahead and welcome Ken anyways, because that's an 8. He just needs to look at the beginning part to this, and then he'll be coming on board. So welcome Ken to our family. Now let me go over here real quick to Michael. Michael, can you hear me, sir? Hold on one second. Let me unmute Michael here. Let's try it again, Mike.
Yes, I can hear it. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.